Flee as a bird, Clog, a Lancashire clog. Bottom of page 116. Okay, this particular one has 4 lines to it. Okay, watch your position work. We have some third position work. If you're not familiar with third position, if you keep your wrist, okay, nice and flat right here, okay, when you're holding it, as opposed to this, okay, when you come up and you just barely touch right here on the side of your violin, okay, you're going to be really, really close to third position. Now you'll have to tune your first finger, okay, obviously you'll have to put that into tune, but that's a good landmark kind of position to get you started with third position. Here we go. 2, 3. Now repeat. 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 That last C sharp sounds kind of strange in this. I'd probably take that out if I was playing this for myself, but you be the judge.